What's going on, guys? So this is going to be a quick little video here, and the question today is, should I partner on deals? And the answer is absolutely you should. And now the reason why I say that, guys, listen, in this business, number one, this is the people business. Number two is, guys, you need to collaborate with as many people as possible. Now, if you want to do this as a side hobby and you want to do one deal every 4 months, which there's guys out there to do that, then by all means, please don't partner up on the deal. Do the deal and keep it all to yourself, because you're going to need it. You're going to need every freaking penny on that deal. But guys, if you are doing this as a massive level of scale and volume, which that's what we're doing here at Freedom Hawk, listen, you don't want to do every single deal by yourself and not collaborate with other parties. It's going to make your job very difficult if you do not do that. So listen, if you want to scale this business and you want to expand and you want to be able to do 10, 15 deals per month, more, maybe even more deals than that per month, you're going to have to collaborate and you're going to have to JV on some deals. And JV means joint venture. It's where you partner up with somebody, they dispo the deal. Disposition means they sell the deal for you. They get an X amount of the deal. Sometimes it's 50%, sometimes it's less. There's other ways you can work that out with your guy. But listen, yes, you need to have partnerships, strategic collaborations that are going to provide value for yourself, but also provide value for the person that you're partnering up with. That way it's a win-win scenario, guys. That way you can leverage other people's talents, other people's resources and gifts and time to be able to scale and grow your business. Otherwise, you're going to get bogged down in the weeds, and it's going to make life very, very difficult if you want to do a lot of business. When I was doing this by myself, completely by myself, I was tapped out at 4 deals per month. 4, 5 deals per month, I'm absolutely tapped out. I got so much on my plate, I can't even think straight. That's a lot of deals for one person to be able to handle. So now that we're scaling, we're doing 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 deals. You got to have multiple people that are here helping you either be able to dispo the deal. You got transaction coordinators, you got people that are helping you obviously acquire the deals and the whole 9 yards. So guys, get a good team together if you want to grow a real business. If you don't want to have a real business and you want to stay small, then by all means keep all the profit, because you're going to need every penny. But if you want to scale and grow a business, you need to have strategic partnerships and strategic collaborations. Otherwise, this is going to be one tough deal. Now listen, guys, if you like this content below, please subscribe, hit the link below. Freedom Hawk is the YouTube channel. We're just now kind of getting this started, getting this ramped up. We're going to have 1,000 videos as fast as I possibly can, because I love doing this content. I love being able to provide a little bit of insight, a little bit of value, and I want to hear back from every single person that watches these videos. Click the link below, guys. Take care. Go out there, crush it, have an awesome day, and go collaborate.